Integrating yoga into a busy lifestyle might seem daunting at first, but with an adaptable approach, it can be not only achievable, but also incredibly rewarding. The key lies in flexibility and balance. When you tailor your practice to fit your unique needs and schedule, you open the door to experiencing the profound benefits of yoga, even on the most hectic days. First and foremost, adapting your yoga practice promotes consistency. Life can be unpredictable, filled with unexpected commitments and responsibilities that can easily disrupt even the best-laid plans. However, by embracing a flexible approach, you make it easier to maintain a regular practice. This means that even during the busiest of weeks, you can carve out small pockets of time to connect with your body and mind. Imagine starting your day with just 5 minutes of focused movement or winding down with a gentle stretch before bed. These brief sessions can keep your practice alive without overwhelming you. Moreover, a flexible yoga schedule significantly reduces stress and feelings of overwhelm. When yoga becomes just another item on your to-do list, it can quickly lose its essence and joy. Instead, by allowing your practice to ebb and flow with your daily life, you relieve the pressure. You can enjoy the experience of yoga rather than viewing it as an obligation. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of ease and allows you to approach your practice with a lighter heart. The physical and mental well-being benefits of yoga are well documented. Even short, focused sessions can enhance relaxation, improve focus, and build resilience. On days when stress levels are high, a few minutes of mindful breathing or gentle stretching can work wonders. It's about finding those moments in your day where you can pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. When you adapt your practice to fit into your life, you create opportunities for mindfulness to seep into your everyday activities. Incorporating yoga into your busy schedule also enhances enjoyment and longevity. When you practice in a way that aligns with your lifestyle, you're more likely to stick with it. Rigid routines can lead to burnout, while a flexible approach allows you to explore different styles and sequences without feeling trapped. You can experiment with what feels good on any given day, whether that's a vigorous flow in the morning or a restorative practice in the evening. This adaptability nurtures a long-term commitment to your practice, making it a fulfilling part of your daily life. So, how can you effectively adapt your yoga practice for a busy schedule? One of the simplest strategies is to embrace short sessions. Even dedicating just 5 to 15 minutes can be incredibly effective. You might start your day with a few rounds of sun salutations to energize your body or wind down with restorative poses before bed. These bite-sized practices can be integrated seamlessly into your day, making yoga feel less like a chore and more like a cherished ritual. Another helpful tip is to plan your practice around your energy levels. If you know you have a busy day ahead, opt for energizing poses in the morning. Conversely, if you're winding down after a long day, gentle stretches and calming poses can help you relax. Listening to your body and adjusting the intensity of your practice is crucial. On days when you're feeling low on energy, consider gentler practices like yin or restorative yoga. When you're feeling more vibrant, challenge yourself with more active sequences. Incorporating yoga into everyday activities is another effective way to maintain your practice. You don't always need a mat or a dedicated space. Simple movements like neck stretches or shoulder rolls can be done at your desk, while mindful breathing can be practiced during your commute or while preparing meals. These small adjustments allow you to weave yoga into the fabric of your daily life, making it accessible and enjoyable. Setting realistic expectations is essential. It's important to avoid placing undue pressure on yourself to follow a rigid routine. Instead, create a go-to mini routine that you can practice anytime, anywhere. This could include grounding poses like child's pose, downward dog, and a seated twist. By having a few key poses in your toolkit, you can adapt your practice to fit any situation. Utilizing yoga apps or online classes can also be a game changer. They offer a wide range of practice lengths and styles, allowing you to filter for shorter classes or specific focuses like flexibility or relaxation. This means you can find sessions that align perfectly with your available time and needs, ensuring that you always have a way to connect with your practice. Breaking up your yoga practice throughout the day can be another effective strategy. Instead of trying to squeeze in a long session, consider dividing your practice into smaller segments. A morning stretch, midday breathing exercises, and evening relaxation poses can collectively create a fulfilling practice without feeling overwhelming. Don't forget about desk yoga or chair yoga, especially if you spend much of your day seated. Simple stretches can release tension and promote relaxation without needing a mat. Keeping your mat accessible and ready can serve as a gentle reminder to practice whenever you have a few free moments. Above all, be kind and flexible with yourself. Life is unpredictable, and busy days happen. Missing a session is natural, and it's important to approach your practice without judgment. Simply resume the next day, and remember that every small effort counts. In conclusion, an adaptable approach to yoga can transform it into a sustainable part of your life. Embracing flexibility encourages long-term commitment, reduces burnout, and promotes both physical and emotional balance. By integrating mindfulness into your daily routine, you not only enhance your practice but also enrich your overall well-being. So take a moment to reflect on your own schedule. What times of day feel most practical for a yoga session? Which strategies resonate with you? With a little creativity and openness, you can make yoga a fulfilling, integral part of your busy life.